James back with 360 and back. In today's short iGuide tutorial, I want to go over how to find your unbranded links. That way you can post on MLS or FMLS. If you're familiar with the iGuide knowledge base, you're going to type in where to find your unbranded iGuide. If you're not familiar with the knowledge base, I made a previous video on it, and I highly recommend you check it out. So there is a couple different ways that you can get your unbranded tour. I'm going to go ahead and show you just a couple. The first way is when you first receive an email saying that your tour has been completed, you'll get an iGuide report. If you have not uploaded any photos prior to getting the iGuide built, you're just going to get an image like this. If you have uploaded photos, then you just see your photo here. So your links can be right here. You got the virtual tour links. You have your branded. This is the one that you're going to be sharing on Facebook or on your own website or anything else like that. And right below it is going to be your unbranded tour. This one is the one that you're going to be using for your MLS or your FMLS. Copy and paste into that one. Now, another way to find it is you'll just go into your, you'll log into your iGuide editor's account. And all you got to do is just click on iGuide report. And you'll scroll down. And here you'll have your branded, unbranded links right there. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave me an email. And thanks so much.